was a performance by chilled-out musos, Garthman and Stimuncle. A concert critics called shockingly mellow. But it left excited milk glasses enduring many spills and cracks. I'm asking you to donate what you can. Sticky tape, bandages, plasters, mops, any milk you can spare to help the planet of the big glasses of milk rebuild and heal. Remember, it is worth crying over spilt milk.
You have to do a ballad! That was his advert on TV and it was so upsetting!
It gave Gurgle the sniffles. To prevent accidents, the big glasses of milk need to hear my softer side.
Well, yes, and... But I thought you said there was only two things you hated. Ballads and salads.
When have I ever? All right, I have to write a ballad. It's something that I thought of that was my idea, and I want to stop talking about whose idea it was right now. Calling kid songwriter.
Hey, Nova, what's the job?
I need a new song, kid songwriter.
How about this? Dance riot, we're in a dance riot.
No,
Electric boogie explosion.
I need a ballad.
A ballad?
I know. Blair, right?
But Nova, are you sure? You run a great risk.
What? Tell me, kid songwriter.
Every human heart is a mansion with many chambers. To write a ballad, you must unlock the doors to these chambers and risk inviting a most dangerous guest indeed. The feels.
The feels?
Once you invite the feels into your heart, they will never leave. Are you willing to embark on a perilous journey of pain and longing? Can you face the feels? Are you ready for that?
Yes. I am, I can, and I are.
All right. Our work starts now. Get ready to feel feels you've never feeled before.
Please. I know the feels. I already spend my life with family, with someone I truly adore. Gurgle! Mummy's going to be busy, so you be good for McLaren.